At Government Model Higher Primary School, Udamagal Khanapur, in Raichur district of the Kalyan Karnataka region, learning began with a simple question. After it rains on our houses, what happens to the raindrops? This innocent question led the class to learn something essential: rainwater harvesting. More so in the dry Raichur district, where every drop of water is precious. Instead of turning pages in a textbook, the teacher gave a challenge. Let's build a house. Next day, the students came back with their model houses. With every house model that the students had built, they discovered how rainwater can be collected, filtered, stored, and reused. There was a small pipe connecting the models, and the teacher poured water from a bottle, creating a rain effect. Water we collected in the miniature house got drained out through the pipe and restored.
ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು 18 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಅವಧಿಗಳಾದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಲಕರಣೆಗಳು ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸದವಕಾಶ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ 2 ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗಳು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಠಿಣವಾದಂಥ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಳ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಮುಟ್ಟಿಸುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Rainwater harvesting was no longer just a chapter, it became a working system in their hands. The excitement was visible, the ownership was real. They weren't memorizing a concept, they were building a solution. This meaningful shift in learning has been made possible by the Prayoga Institute of Education Research with the support of the SBI Foundation and SBI Mutual Funds, bringing experiential science education into classrooms where it truly matters.
ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಎಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಿರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ.
In this school, students are not just understanding how to save water, they are learning how to think responsibly, how to design thoughtfully, and how to act sustainably.